In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a 3D pie chart in Google Sheets. First, organize your data with one column for categories and one column for values. Make sure each category matches its value in the same row. Next, select the full data range, including both the labels and the numbers. Click and drag to highlight everything you need for the chart. Then go to the top menu and click Insert. Then click Chart. A chart will automatically appear on your sheet, and the chart editor will open on the right side. In the chart editor, find Chart Type. Click it and choose Pie Chart from the list. Your data will now appear as a pie chart with slices for each category. To make it 3D, go to the Customize section in the chart editor. Look for the option labeled 3D and tick the box. The chart will instantly change into a 3D pie chart. Your chart is now complete. You can adjust colors or labels if needed, and the changes will update automatically in the chart.